In this video, I will show you the simple steps required to cancel your Super Grok subscription without any stress. Sometimes we sign up for premium AI features and realize later that we no longer need them or want to save some extra money. Whatever your reason might be, the process is actually quite straightforward if you know exactly where to look. To begin, you need to open your web browser and log into the X platform, formerly known as Twitter, where your subscription is hosted. Once you are logged in, navigate to the side menu and click on the Premium tab. This is your central hub for all things related to your paid features. From this menu, you will see an option for preferences. Click on that to open your subscription settings. Look for the Manage Subscription button, which will redirect you to the billing portal. Here you can see your current plan and renewal date. You will find a clear button that says Cancel Plan. Click it, and the system will ask if you are sure. Confirm your choice, and you will receive a notification that your cancellation was successful. You will still have access to Grok until the end of your current billing period. I hope this guide helps you manage your account easily and effectively today.